Hello, my fellow gardeners. Do you know why plants need extra care in winter? During winter, plants experience a series of stressors that require extra attention. Low temperatures. Winter nights in India can be surprisingly cold, with temperatures dropping significantly. This cold weather can damage the sensitive cells of plants, causing them to wilt and suffer. Reduced sunlight. Winter months also bring shorter daylight hours and reduced sunlight, which can hinder the process of photosynthesis, thereby resulting in slow plant growth. Drying winds. The cold winds that sweep through can lead to rapid water loss in both indoor and outdoor plants. This can result in dehydration and weakened plant health. Let's know how to protect your garden during the winter season. Indoor plants. Although indoor plants are placed better than the outdoor plants when it comes to winter nights, there are still some things you should keep in check to keep your indoor plants flourishing during the winter. Move to light. The simplest way to protect indoor plants is to move them closer to windows that receive good sunlight during the day, or even place them in direct sunlight on your balconies. At night, position them away from the cold open spaces. Humidity control. Ensure your indoor plants receive adequate humidity. Use a water tray or a room humidifier to prevent dry air from causing problems. One easy method to create a microclimate for your indoor plants is by placing them in a tray of water on top of some rocks without letting the bottom of the pots touch the water level. Remember to not cover the drainage holes either. Reduce watering. Water indoor plants less frequently during winter. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is more likely to occur in cold, damp conditions. Stick your finger in the top 1 inch of soil to check if the soil feels dry to the touch. If it's dry, water gently with a slow mist. Outdoor plants. Now comes the real challenge. Outdoor plants may receive more sunlight during the day, but the extreme drop in temperature during the night can hamper their growth. Here's what you can do. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of your outdoor plants. Mulch acts as insulation, protecting the roots from extreme temperature fluctuations. Tree bark, hay, or even recyclable corrugated boxes can be used as mulch. Covering. On particularly cold nights, cover sensitive outdoor plants with a row cover or burlap to keep them warm. By providing a barrier during the cold nights, your plants can stay warm through the cold nights. This also helps keep pests at bay. Water management. Be mindful of watering. Water in the morning so that the soil has a chance to absorb moisture before nightfall, preventing the roots from freezing. Plants also require relatively less watering during the cold months. Hence, it is advisable to cut back on the watering frequency in general. These methods should help you keep your plants warm during the winter season.